Good day, everyone. Today, I'm going to recite the elements of the periodic table from atomic number 41 to 80, and I will do it blindfolded. 41, Nb niobium, 42, Mo molybdenum, 43, Tc technetium, 44, Ru rhodanium, 45, Rh rhodium, 46, Pd palladium, 47, Ag silver, 48, Cd cadmium, 49, In indium, 50, Sn tin, 51, Sb antimony, 52, Te tellurium, 53, I iodine, 54, Xe xenon, 55, Cs cesium, 56, Be barium, 57, La lanthanum, 58, Ce cerium, 59, Pr praseodymium, 60, Nd neodymium, 61, Pm promethium, 62, Sm samarium, 63, Au europium, 64, Gd gadolinium, 65, Tb terbium, 66, Dy dysprosium, 67, Ho holmium, 68, Er erbium, 69, Tm tollium, 70, Yb ytterbium, 71, Lu lutetium, 72, Hf hafnium, 73, Ta tantalum, 74, W tungsten, 75, Re rhenium, 76, Os osmium, 77, Ir iridium, 78, Pt platinum, 79, Au gold, 80, Hg mercury,